Hello guys, since we have seen last time the chart that I use and a lot of my students or my YouTube followers they use if you are living in USA or Canada. Now, I will show you in this video that why it is so important to look at the index or industry index, or you can look even at the general market. Now, in the general market, they give you general things, but when you go to specific industries, then you go to its stocks, you will discover the best thing you can discover, which is stocks that are moving up for a long time. That's why I told you before, when in most cases when I do trades, they are very long trades. If I succeed to have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 or 15 stocks in the year that are excellent, these stocks makes me a lot of money without doing day trading, trading each day. Okay, this is what I prefer, and this is what fits my what fits my way of life. Okay, I want a lot of freedom. I don't want to be stuck the whole day in the morning, okay, against the screen and to check every minute what did happen to my stocks. Okay, it will be stressful, and I assume that a lot of people who are going to do short-term trading or what we call swing trading, it doesn't mean that you stay years. No, you stay only few days, few weeks, or few months. The last trade I have done is 5 months and 2 weeks, and it is live. I did it live for you guys, and a lot of you guys have been to my subscriptions or training level 7, and they have seen it. Now today is another way to check things. Now, the other way that I'm using always is very easy and very quick, which is to search stocks by using stock screener. This gives you anything that is moving in the market. Okay, that's why it is good. Just with 2 criteria, you will generate the list of everything that it is moving, and then you go to put them in the chart using other criteria that I use, and then you can search and select the best stocks. Now today, this is another thing. We are doing not searching stocks directly by stock screener. We are going to check industries and we see the market, because a lot of you guys think about the general mood of the market. Oh, they say, oh, this month or 2 or 3, oh, the Dow is going up. Okay, which is like a Dow Jones. Dow Jones is only 30 stocks, biggest stocks in USA. 30 stocks companies that are very old, that are very popular, and most of the old people, they buy this kind of stocks. Okay, so understand that the market is not only the Dow. The Dow is only 30 stocks. If you go, for example, to S&P 500, it's only 500 stocks that are medium companies. If you go, for example, to Russell 2000, you will find 2000 small companies. Okay? So understand that the market, that when something is going up, it doesn't mean that the other markets are going up also. I will show you right now some sectors, some industries, and in each industry we try to see some stocks, but you will see that it's not the same. Okay, now first we try to go and to see, in this video we try to see some sectors with their industries and see what they are doing. Are they all going up? Are they all going down? And when exactly they begin? This is the most important thing you should know, that my strategies will spot stocks at the beginning, okay? Because if it is at the end, any stupid person will see it. All the beginners, anyone, even someone who has never traded in his life, where you show him the chart and you say stock was, let's say the stock was 20, now it is $80 in 1 year, and you show him the chart, or you say, okay, it's good the chart, let's buy. Okay, this is what the beginners think always. But if you buy at the end of the trend is nearly ended. So whenever you buy, you expect a catastrophe in few days or few weeks before even you get to make some money, and everything is shorted, and this industry that was pushed by a mutual fund manager or a lot of managers, a lot of swing traders, pushed for 6 months, 8 months, and you come at the end and you want to buy. All the people at that time, all the professional people, all the mutual funds, they want to sell, and you are going to buy. Now, who do you think will win the battle? Okay? The big guys. Okay? So you put your money at the end of the trend and you lose everything. You lose some profits that you have done, and you lose a lot of money. They will have even a gap down, and you lose a lot of money and you can't control it. Okay? So let's just go to the chart and see. Okay? So this is the chart. As we have seen, this is aerospace and defense sector, and it, okay? Now, let's go back and just to check these two. Okay, here, aerospace and defense, this is the sector. It has only 2 industries. Now, if you want to see the two industries indexes plus the stocks that they belong to, you click here on the sector. Click that. Now, you have 2. I will just show you something very important. We are in an industry index called MG611, which is aerospace defense major dive. Now, what do you remark or what do you notice on this chart? It's a very, very long trend. See here, it's a very, very, very long trend. Now, is it possible? Let's say, okay, I put it again. Okay. Is it possible to buy from the beginning? Yes or no? I'm not saying to buy from the support line exactly, but is it possible to buy when this big trend is going up? And you tell me, yes, we can. But I ask you the question, how? How do you succeed to buy at the beginning, not at the end? Here it is the end. This industry could collapse at any time. That's why some people, you hear them analysts and some who are always pessimistic. They say, "Oh, the market is going to a catastrophe. We are going to a downfall." It's just because they see that it is for here. Let's say begin from here. Let's say here we are in the, let's say, 11th of February 2016. It means that this, what you see, is nearly 2 years. 2 years and this aerospace defense is going up. Now, if I ask you a question, if you are doing short-term trading, have you found any stock from this aerospace defense major dive? Have you found that? If you say yes, it means you have an idea about industry index that I am training, that I am teaching to people. Okay? Now, if you don't find and you have never heard of it, or you have just heard about stocks, that means that you have no idea about how to search certain kind of these stocks. Now, if you go to the second industry, okay, which is called aerospace defense products and services, you will find the same, okay? Here it is 12 February 11 is the same thing. Now, what does it mean this? It's the same thing. Why they begin in the same? It means just nearly the same month, which is the beginning of February 2016. Why is that? Okay? It means that the buyers mostly are the same. Or the guy or the mutual fund here, when he buys, it means that this is the guy who is buying the same. He is buying the same sector, which is called aerospace defense. It means, understand, right now, I will just show you with another thing. Understand that since the beginning it's the same. It is probable that it is one big mutual fund manager who chooses or chose to buy some stocks in both industries. When I say mutual fund, why? I always say the same thing. Because they are the mover of the market. It's not the CEO of the company who moves the stock. It's other people. Okay? And the mutual fund managers, they choose whatever they want. Sometimes they take a company that it is not doing well in real life. It means not big in earnings, but they push its price. Okay? So the people they follow, for example, for us, we don't care. Okay? We don't care if the company is biggest company, or it is making a lot of money, or it is making a lot of earnings, or it has a good dividend and it's always increasing each quarter, each year. We are not caring about that all. What we care about, not the dividend. We are not investing for dividend or something like that. What we are doing is following a stock when it is moved by mutual fund managers, and we follow the trend. When it ends, we exit. Is that easy? Yes, it is easy if you follow some strategies, because finding stocks, following them, these are skills. These are not, you find them online like this for free and they teach you everything. Okay? They teach you ideas, yes, but for real thing, it's an education that you should get in order to succeed in trading. Now, in next video, I will try to explain, to give you some industries, some sectors, and we will see that they are not the same. Okay? So thank you very much. See you next video.